Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talking about IRIS Nainital admission 2023. Talking about IRIS Nainital, Aryabhat Research Institute of Observational Sciences is an autonomous research institute funded by Department of Science and Technology (DST). Astronomy and Astrophysics Division of IRIS is engaged in cutting-edge research in field of solar physics, stellar physics, interstellar matter, transients like supernova and GRBs, AGN, galaxy morphology, relativistic astrophysics. The atmospheric division specializes in atmospheric chemistry, trace gases, boundary layer meteorology, atmospheric dynamics, aerosols. Now talking about IRIS Nainital PhD program. IRIS Nainital offers PhD program in astronomy and astrophysics and atmospheric sciences for MSc qualified candidates. Students with MSc physics are invited to apply for JRF program at IRIS leading to PhD. This year PhD program will be jointly coordinated by IRIS Nainital and IIT Roorkee Physics Department. Now talking about IRIS Nainital MTech PhD Tech program. IRIS offers integrated MTech PhD Tech in astronomical instrumentation in collaboration with Department of Applied Optics and Photonics, University of Calcutta at IRIS. Degree will be awarded by University of Calcutta. Duration of MTech course will be of 2 years divided into 4 semesters. After successful completion of MTech, can opt for registration for PhD subject to a selection procedure and minimum cutoff grade. Now talking about eligibility criteria for PhD admissions. MSc Physics with minimum 55% marks for General or OBC and 50% for SC/ST. Post-graduation degree should be from an UGC recognized college or university. The candidate should have passed MSc on or after 2021. Students appearing in MSc final year exam can also appear, but if selected, they have to furnish the proof of MSc qualification at the time of joining. Now talking about age limit. 28 years on 1st July 2023. Date of birth on or after 1st July 1995. Upper age limit for reserved categories may be relaxed as per the UGC rules. Applicants should have CSIR or UGC NET, JRF or LS, qualified in Physics, Earth, Atmospheric Ocean and Planetary Sciences 2021 or 2022 or GATE in 22 or 23, qualified in Physics or Atmospheric and Ocean Sciences or JAST 2022 or 23, qualified in Physics. All the application will be further screened by taking into account marks or rank in GATE, JAST or CSIR or UGC NET and MSc and other guidelines decided by IRIS. Fulfilling minimum qualification does not guarantee a call for the interview. Candidates with external fellowships, CSIR, JRF, DST, Inspire may be given preference. Now talking about eligibility criteria for MTech PhD. MSc, BE, BTech with minimum 55% marks for General or OBC and 50% for SC/ST. Post-graduation degree should be from a recognized college or university by UGC. The candidate should have passed MSc, BE, BTech on or after 2021. Students who are appearing in MSc, BE, BTech final year exam can appear, but if selected, have to furnish the proof of MSc, BE, BTech qualification at the time of joining. Now talking about age limit. 28 years as on 1st July 2023 and date of birth on or after 1st July 1995. Upper age limit for reserved categories may be relaxed as per the UGC rules. Applicants should have CSIR or UGC NET, JRF or lectureship, qualified in Physics, Electronic Science, Applied Mathematics, Applied Physics in 21 or 22 or GATE 2022 or 2023, qualified with percentile greater than 95%. All the application will be free, taking into account marks or ranks in GATE, CSIR, UGC NET and BE, BTech or MSc marks and other guidelines decided by IRIS. Fulfilling minimum qualification does not guarantee a call for the interview. Now talking about fellowship for PhD. 31,000 per month for JRF, 35,000 per month for SRF and for integrated MTech PhD for first 2 years 20,000 per month when they enroll for PhD. Then fellowship become 31,000 at the beginning of 3rd year and 35,000 at the beginning of 5th year of the program. Now talking about selection process. Selection to this program will be through in-person interview at IRIS Nainital. List of shortlisted candidates will be announced on IRIS website. Now talking about application process. Candidates can apply online on the website of IRIS. Now talking about important dates. For PhD admission, application begins on 19 April and last date is 19th May. List of screened applicants will be declared on 12th June and date of interview will be 3rd and 7th July 2023 and declaration of list of selected candidates 10 July and start of academic registration 17 July at IIT Roorkee. Now talking about integrated MTech PhD admission. Online application opens on 19th April and closes on 19th May and declaration of list of screened applicants on 31st May and date of interview will be 10 to 12 July 2023.